Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about the style that my mom made. The first thing we're talking about is Revlon, and this one is
the spiral.
Is the spiral, and this one makes it shine. This one is protecting. And this one is just regular oil. So you can just moisturize your hair. Well, this one makes your hair stop smooth. And this one is just
Proless.
How I do my hairstyle. And also wearing one of my JoJo bows. And come back to me. I don't care what they say. I'm gonna back on the boomerang. Cool, low, high. High means is this high. And also, I will show you my hair. I'm telling you that you have to order online to get this so you can make your hair smooth. And make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.